Hello guys, today I am going to give you a heads up about the new EAS scenario. This EAS scenario will not be about space this time, and this scenario will be about a conflict that just happened 4 days ago on Roblox. Or should I say 5 days ago? Probably 4 days ago, you know what I mean. But still, 4 days ago, regarding a conflict in Roblox, not about space or legends like the Loch Ness monster. But anyways, this scenario, this EAS scenario number 12 will come out pretty soon. So stay tuned for that.